So I've put a little summary here, what stem cell can do. It's a little bit wordy, but if you notice, I put some research background here. So everything is backed by research. Number one is an antioxidant properties. They can actually neutralize free radicals. Tick. So if you're talking about crystal cell, number one, start antioxidant. Number two, very, very important. Almost no product in the market or in the world can stimulate human stem cells. This can be done because they have something called the microRNA from the apple stem cell that can actually increase the proliferation of the human stem cell. Now, again, why do we need to stimulate the human stem cell? If you can stimulate the human stem cell, you can reduce the signs of aging because the human stem cell can help to repair and regenerate. So number one, again, antioxidant. Number two, stimulate human stem cells. Number three, nutrient supply. You have all these polyphenols, peptides, and amino acids that can support health and vitality of the human cells. It's like a high-value nutrient that the cell needs, right? Now, anti-aging and regeneration. Besides stimulating human stem cells, you can actually stimulate anti-aging and regeneration. So most of them are for your skin elasticity, reduce signs of aging. So most of crystal cells benefit was also going to your skin and to improve the elasticity of your skin. And it's proven where people using crystal cell in a clinical study have seen that if within 3 months, you've seen your epidermal skin layer actually improve tremendously, and the elasticity of the skin as well, right? Now, increase cell and metabolic performance. Now, this is what you want. Very importantly, it is able to support mitochondrial health. Now, mitochondria is an organelle inside your cell that produces energy or ATP. So if you can increase or keep your mitochondria inside your cell as healthy as possible, you're going to be able to produce a lot of energy. Now, this is very, very important. And if you can do that, you're going to reduce the oxidative stress damage in critical organs such as brain, heart, and liver. Now, I already said about inflammation. You can also increase wound healing. The growth factors like cytokines, they can help with promoting cell repair during inflammation. Now, and finally, once you take crystal cell for a period of time, you are able to prevent age-related disorders. Now, the bioactive compounds over time will reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which is actually the major contributors of disease such as arthritis, Alzheimer's, and cardiovascular disease. Now, let me take you back again this slide.